Objective 2 says, know what an isotope is and how it relates to atomic mass and mass number for an element. And by the way, the blue here, those are the questions that you were asked to do for your test review at the end of the chapter. Those questions, questions 7 and 8, go with objective 2. And if you notice on number 1, questions 1 through 6 go with objective 1. So if you want to know if you're feeling proficient or not, you should be able to answer those questions. And of course, the key is in the key folder for chapter 4. So an isotope, someone tell me what's an isotope? All elements have isotopes. Let me see what's going on here. Anyone, what's an isotope? Okay, we'll make a multiple choice. Are the atoms of the same element or atoms of different elements? Same element. So what has to be the same about them if they're the same element? Number of protons, because we just said it's protons that identify it. So atoms of the same element with the same number of protons. But what's different about them? The mass is different, which means which part is different? The neutrons. I'll do it like this and give you some bullets. So that means mass number is different for each isotope, but atomic number is the same. Okay, so it just means you have some heavy atoms and some light atoms, but they're still the same kind of atom. Just like some people are heavier than other people, but still basically the same parts in all of us. So then let's do mass number next, because I think that fits more logically. So the mass number, we use the acronym MAN, MAN. So what's the mass number represent, or what is it? It's the number of protons and neutrons. It's the protons and neutrons added together. Okay, so it's the number of protons and neutrons in an atom or isotope. It can change for the same element. And it's always a whole number. Because you can't have half a proton or half a neutron. Oops, I'm having some trouble here. So then atomic mass is different. Because atomic mass is an average. It's an average mass for an element. So it doesn't change. So you average all the different isotopes using their percent abundance and their mass like we've been doing. It does not change, and it's going to be a decimal. So it will never be a whole number. Mass numbers not on the periodic table. Atomic mass is on the periodic table.